What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, and we have our second filler of the day for release day. It's 133, and here's your list: 110, Aaron, and we're live. Top three names after four is going to be winners. Top name taking home two, second name taking home two, and third name taking home one. We got one random, two randoms, three timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says 133. 133. Last and final duo. You're looking for top three here. And there you have it. Tom, 9. Pat, 8. And Stefan, 5. Congrats, guys. Let's get your time stamp here. Fourth and final says 133 and 133. So congratulations again, Tom and Pat taking home 2 spots each, and Stefan taking home a half-price spot. So congratulations, guys. We'll see you for release day. Best of luck, and thanks again.